Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video of learning Dart, we are going to understand what is the difference between regular or double division operator versus integer division operator. Now you will surprise what is this. So just understand with the example. I'm creating a new file here. I say 36. I say division operators dot dart and here I say main like this. Then here I'm using this command line arguments main method. Now here suppose I say int and I say num1 equal to 10 and I say int division means div equal to num1 divide by 2 like this and I say print div. And you see that it's generating an error. Why? Because this operator in other programming language is called division operator, but here remember here it is regular or double division operator. Remember, it is a regular or double division operator. This is this one. Okay, so it would not return an integer value after division. That's why we have to take here double or var. So I take here var or you can take double. Now if I divide by this, so it will display like this. You see, if I run this, I say dart run file name, press enter and you have 5.0. It's the same answer but it in double format. Remember that if I divide it by 0 here, and this should be error. Remember that this should be error in other programming language like C, C++ or other programming language if I use. But here, if I run this, you see this is called infinity. Remember that here divide by 0 to this number is not a integer divide by 0 exception. It is displaying infinity. Remember that. So very surprising. But here, if I want only integer output, suppose I say I need div1, it should be integer. Num1 divided by 2, it should be integer. Then here I have to use another kind of operator is called this operator tilde. If I put here in front of this division tilde, so this is called integer division operator. Remember, this is different, this is different. So output of this is integer. And now if I print this, I say div 1 like this. So you will see, so like this, and I execute it once again, you will see that first one is infinity because it's a divide by 0. But if I say divide by 2, same. Once again I run it and you will see that this is 5.0 and this is 5. Means this is double value, this is integer value. So it's working perfectly for integer. But remember that if I say here divide by 0, it is infinity. But here if I say divide by 0, then it will generate exception. You see? Divide integer division by 0 exception. This is the error here. Unhandle. You see, because we in integer division we can't divide integer with a 0 value. So here is different. But in other programming language there is no difference between double and integer here. But we have a separate operator here. If you are doing double division, then you use this normal. But if you are doing an integer, forcefully you have to use this tilde operator. This is called integer division operator in Dart programming language. So if you are using this operator, integer division, then it will generate exception. Otherwise it would not generate exception. It will transfer infinity here. So infinity is not exception in Dart programming language. So now you have to decide what you have to do, what kind of output you want. But there is an error here, exception here. So how to handle this exception, we will see in next video. So I think you understand now what is the difference between regular division and integer division operator in Dart programming language, and you got some knowledge from this video. If like so, please like this video, share to your friends, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.